Welcome to KrispCall. This video will show you a step-by-step process to get your Hungary virtual phone number from KrispCall. With a Hungarian phone number, you can make and receive calls, send SMS messages, and receive OTPs for verifying accounts on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram. To get your Hungarian phone number, visit KrispCall.com and either sign into your existing account or register for a new one. Access My Number by clicking the plus icon or navigating to Settings. Click on Purchase New Number. Choose Hungary from the drop-down menu. Customize your preferred number type and proceed by selecting Buy Number. Name your selected number and add it to your cart. You must submit the required documents containing your ID and local address with information details to get your Hungarian phone number. Click on Confirm Purchase. Once your Hungarian phone number is activated, you can make calls and send SMS according to the number types you've purchased. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.